In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a picture into a circle or another shape in Microsoft Word. This technique is perfect for creating stylish presentations, professional documents, or creative designs by giving your images a unique appearance. To start, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document, or open an existing document where you want to insert the image. Once your document is open, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click on Pictures. Choose the image you want to use from your computer and it will appear in your document. Next, click on the picture to select it. When the picture is selected, the Picture Format tab will appear at the top of the ribbon. Click on this tab to access all the formatting options for your image. To change the shape of your picture, look for the Crop drop-down menu in the Picture Format tab. Click on it and then choose Crop to Shape. A menu of shapes will appear, including circles, squares, triangles, stars, and more. Click on the shape you want and Word will instantly crop your picture into that shape. If you want a perfect circle, choose the oval shape. To ensure it is a true circle, hold down the Shift key while adjusting the size of the picture after cropping. This keeps the height and width proportional. After shaping your picture, you can further refine it using the Crop tool. Click Crop again to trim parts of the image within the shape, or reposition the image by dragging it inside the crop area. This allows you to center the focus or adjust the framing to your liking. Additionally, you can add effects such as borders, shadows, or reflections from the Picture Format tab to enhance the visual appeal of your shaped image. You can also resize or rotate the image as needed to fit your document design. Once you're satisfied with the shape and appearance, save your document. Your image is now transformed into a circle or any shape you chose, giving your Word document a professional and polished look. And that's it! You've successfully converted a picture into a circle or another shape in Microsoft Word. This simple technique can be applied to enhance your documents, presentations, and creative projects. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.